Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Junkyard minus $800 to $1,500. Most scrapyards give a 90-day to 1-year warranty, but most people only expect it to last a year at best and are planning on unloading the car soon or have the money to pay for a regular rebuild. Rebuilt minus $1,500 to $2,500. Last another 2 to 3 years or so. 29 January 2015.
Take our lead.
A transmission rebuild is possibly the best option for most people who need to fix their transmission. A transmission rebuild will be less costly and not done on the factory level. In addition, you or the mechanic will be putting in new parts like the seals, gaskets, clutch, and bands. 6 July 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.